come on in. Today's tutorial is going to be on UK double crochet, US single crochet. Now I've got a small amount of chain stitch here just so that I can show you how to do it. Now to start with, we obviously pick up our crochet hook and hold it. We're then looking for our wool, so we put it across our little finger, under our middle and across both of these. Make sure it's comfortable, and then we can hold our chain stitch between our index finger and our thumb to give us that important tension when we're working on our project. Now obviously you can hold your wool whichever way is most comfortable for yourselves, but this is just how I've always done it. Now when we're starting our double crochet, we want to miss our first chain stitch, which obviously we don't include the one on our hook, so that's our first one, and we go to our second chain stitch. So you can see we're using that one, we're going to this one. Now when you're crocheting, this is your front here, you can see all the beautiful chain stitches, but what we actually want when we're going to crochet our first row is to turn it sideways, and you're looking for, so you can see that little straight one right there. So you have one on either side and that straight one right there, and that's what you want to put your hook under. So you put your hook under that one, you put the wool around your hook and you pull it through, giving you 2 loops on your hook. Put your wool around your hook and pull it through both of that, and that is forming our first double crochet. Show you that again. So we're looking for our next one, which is here. Put your hook through that. As I say, sometimes this can be a little bit harder. Put your wool around your hook, pull it through, put your wool around your hook and pull it through both those loops. One more time. Put your hook under that straight one right there, right here. Put your wool around your hook, pull it through, giving you 2 loops. Put your wool around your hook and pull it through 2, and that forms your that's your second double crochet US single. What I'm going to do is I'm going to finish off these ones here, and I'll meet you back at the end so that I can show you how to turn and how to start your next row. So as you can see, I've done the double crochet here all the way through US single, and I've come to my final chain stitch. Now as you'll see when I let go this end, sometimes at this stage it does spring up, but it will straighten as you go along and you do more. Obviously if you have a longer project, then it will twist even more, but it will straighten, so please don't worry about that. So we're on our last chain stitch here, and we're looking for that single straight one there. Put your hook underneath it. Again, this last one can be a bit more tricky. Put your wool around your hook, pull it through, your wool around your hook, pull it through both those loops. Now in order to turn your work to start the next row, you do a single chain and then you turn your work. Now what you're looking when you start, and what you're looking for when you're starting your next row, is if you can just see there is a little hole right there. You can just see it right there, right in front of you. If I put my hook under there, you can see that this is their stitch on top here. There's 2 sides to it, and it's a little V, and that's your stitch. You want your hook to go under both of those. Okay, so I'll pick up that loop again. So my hook goes through that hole there, underneath both sides of my stitch. I put my wool around my hook, pull it through, giving me 2 loops on my hook. Put it around my wool and pull it through both of those, and that forms my double crochet stitch. I'm looking for the next hole now, which is right here. So I put my hook through that hole, and you can see again that stitch right there, that little V, it's under both of those. Put your wool around your hook, pull it through, giving you 2 loops. Put your wool around your hook, pull it through both of those. Again, the next one again, that little hole there, putting it through. You've got both sides of your V under, your hook is under both of those. Put your wool around your hook, pull it through, put your wool around your hook, pull it through both of those, and that forms your double crochet, and that's the start of your second row. And obviously you can make this as large or as small as you want, depending on what project you're trying to do. In my next tutorial I'll show you how to do UK treble crochet, US double, and I hope you'll come back to join me for that. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for watching.